how to save an image with a transparent background in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I've prepared this vector image here, and as you can see, it has no background. So what I want to do is I select my image and I go up here where it says File. From here I go to Export and Export As. This will open this window here, and we can choose where we want to save it on our computer. And to give it a transparent background, I'm just gonna save it as a PNG. From here I choose the file type, and I want to make sure I have this box ticked which says use artboards. You can choose all or a range of them, and once we've done that, we can go to export and it will open the screen. Let's say we're satisfied with the resolution options here. Now here where it says preview, you want to make sure this is on transparent. You don't want to choose white or black. You want to make sure you choose transparent, and you should be seeing this checkered pattern here in the back, which means it's transparent. Once you do that, we click on OK, and it should save it to your PC as a PNG with no background. And that's how you save an image with a transparent background in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.